Welcome to this Solid Edge Tips and Tricks video, creating an adjustable part. Displaying deformable parts like a suspension, bellows, and springs in a mechanism like a clamp is a common requirement in assembly modeling. With other CAD systems, users are compelled to create multiple parts with the required lengths of the variations, store them separately, and use discrete parts as per the need of the target assembly. Solid Edge with synchronous technology gives you an unprecedented advantage by allowing you to design a part with a specified variable as driving, which makes the part adjustable. Let's take a look. Take the example of this spring. We want the height of the spring to vary as the related components move when the assembly is in motion. To do this, simply specify that the part be an adjustable one. Solid Edge prompts for the driving variable to be modified when the adjustable spring is used in its assembly. There, done. When the spring is inserted in an assembly, you can specify it to be used as adjustable and match a corresponding assembly variable that it should update with. Solid Edge takes care of the rest and ensures the spring height always displays with the exact length as desired. Advantages of making a part adjustable are multifold. First, they save the hassle of maintaining multiple parts. Second, there is no need to know in advance how many discrete variations the adjustable variable needs to make, since the varying dimension is adjusted dynamically to virtually any value, according to its function in the assembly, saving you time and increasing productivity.